A happy new year to everyone, and welcome back to another video. Yes, it is a Christmas day as a day of recording, so Merry Christmas, but more so a happy and prosperous new year. Anyway, I need to go and have a lie down now because of that big word, so give me a sec. Okay, so one of the gifts from Christmas that I have received from the best person I know, so thank you, you know who you are. It is an absolute treat, and you guys will love this. Check this out. You'll be glad to know that it is not a Hot Wheels, so not another Hot Wheel video, but this is from the Fast and Furious franchise, Jada Toys, however you want to say it. Let's have a look at what you could get. So, in the collection, as you call it, you've got Dom's Dodge Charger, you got Brian's Nissan GTR, the Toyota Supra, Dom's Ice Charger, the GTR, but the BNR 34, so the Skyline GTR, Lycan Hypersport, and Letty's Rally Fighter. So we ain't really bothered about most of them, to be honest. Not that one. The main three, the Skyline, the GTR, and the Supra. Which one do you think I have? Let's see if you've guessed it right. It is in fact Brian's Nissan Skyline GTR BNR 34 RC remote controlled. That's right, I'm like a big kid all over again. Right, so here we go. Here it is. How awesome is that? That is very nice. I do like that very much. You got Wham alloys as the wheels, with what I presume rubber tyres. Yeah, awesome. Because you know, sometimes you can get RCs that haven't even got rubber tyres or anything like that, so they ain't gonna go nowhere. Absolute plastic. But yeah, let's have a look at this in the box. You got all the original decals on there, which are quite nice. Do like that. And also spoiler, blue spoiler. You know how it is. If you watch Fast and Furious, you know how it is. I really like that. It's really nice. It's also got a turbo button as well. Yes! Get the nitro going. Get the nitro going. Let's just check the back for the specs though. So, you've got the turbo boost button, which is a nice feature. Can't wait to try that out. I suppose it just gives it an extra boost so you can go flying, just like in the films. It says you can play with up to 16 vehicles. I'm not sure what that means. I mean, is that 16 from one remote control? So you can have one remote control for all of them? Who knows? There's a longer range, up to 100 feet, which is around about 30 metres. So we'll have to test that all out. But no, it's nice, quite nice. Also, you got like the basic instructions on the bottom here, saying batteries not included, shock. And what do we need? We need 2 AAs in the controller and 3 AAAs in the car. I mean, why would you do that for? Why would you have 2 lots of different batteries? Never mind though, hopefully it'll be awesome. So, this is an official licensed product from Nissan Motor Company, or Nissan Motor Corporation, sorry. Part of the Jada collection toys, and yeah, universal. So you can use it all around the world. Right, let's get this bad boy open then. How are we going to do this? Take the tape off the side. Yep. They really don't make it easy, do they? Stop you trying to get into it. I know how you get into this. With family. Of course. How much sellotape do you need? There we go. As you can probably see and tell, boxes aren't my strong point. Right, there we go. So, we've got some basic instructions, but you know what we do with instructions? That's right, chuck them in the bin. Don't need them, do not need them, we're too good. Let's have a closer look inside the beast, at the beast, look at that. Perfect replica or what? Yes, it is plastic, which means it's going to be very lightweight, whipping it round the corners, 100%. It'd be cool if the lights work as well, is what I'm going to say. So you've got the black tinted out windows, which is quite nice. And everything's pretty original on this, which is awesome. Very nice, and they've even bothered to fill in the GTR logo as well, which is quite nice. But yeah, I'm hoping that the lights work on this. Can you see the rear? Not yet. So it's stuck behind some safety tabs that we've got to get rid of first. Oh, they really don't like to make this easy, do they? And an absolute beast outside the packet. So let's take a look at the most important part, which is the rear of the vehicle. You've got the Skyline engraved in there with the Nissan logo, GTR logo, and a nice little Fast and Furious trademark plate as well. Of course, you've got to put the bad boy exhaust on there. But yeah, I can't wait to use this. I'm very excited to get it going. Need to put some batteries in, and then away we go. What an absolute beast. So, batteries installed in it, and it's alright actually, it's not too bad. Not too bad at all. It was 3 AAAs in the back there. And also you can change the turning circle, which is quite nice. So I might have to play around with that when I have a go using it. I can confirm, however, that there is no LED lights, unfortunately. No LED lights, which is disappointing, but it looks very, very bad boy indeed. So yeah, well happy with that. It's got a turbo button as well. Anyway, I'm going to have a play around with this, and hope you enjoyed the unboxing. So this is part 1 so far, and I shall return with some footage very soon of how I'm getting on with this. And hopefully this leads on to something else I might upgrade into the world of RC, because I have been thinking about it for quite a while, going into RC. And although this is only a kid's toy, this could be the beginning of something good.